In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace a fender liner on a Jeep Patriot located in the front fender wells. So with a 19mm socket, we're going to remove the tire. If your tire is frozen on, always put a lug nut back on partially by hand tight. Give it a bang. So we're going to start from the front here, and there's 3 mounting screws right here. That's a 7mm socket, and then you're going to go over, and then there's 2 more in the rear. Right here, I'm going to start in the front with my 7mm socket and disconnect them. Now we have body clips here that we have to remove. So I have my little body clip tool, squeeze the pins in the center. Then you can take the actual pin out. Then we have one more up here on the rear side. Then you have one here in the front. That's kind of broken, but we're going to take it off because we need to use that spot with the new one. So now we're going to follow that fender liner down right here to the bumper cover. There's 2 plastic body clips. Now these have been changed before because they don't match. So I'm just going to grab the back, slide it out, bring it right on out. So now we're going to take our new fender liner. We lowered the vehicle down a little bit easier to work with. And I'm going to start from the actual driver's seat area. And I'm going to go in this way. I think I'm going to put the push pins in first so it will hold it in place. Now I'm going to put that mounting screw in. Top one, and then the bottom one. Bring these on the inside. I'm going to leave that inner off so that I can put my arm behind there and guide it if I have to. There's one. I'm not going to tighten it until I get the other started. Now we have that last push pin up here. Like that. Hold it in place, put the center pin in. And now we're going to raise it up and put our 2 front ones in. So now with my hand, you have 4 holes here. You're going to use the 2 closest ones to the actual bumper. Now we can put our tire back on. Just hand start the lug nuts. That's a 19mm socket. We're just going to snug it up before we torque it and do it in a star pattern. Okay, now we can lower it and torque it to specs. Wheel torque is 100 foot-pounds. We're going to torque it in a star pattern. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.